Hi everyone, my name is piterpakulski. Today we will continue building very simple financial model from scratch to make you able to evaluate the financial efficiency of your business idea. For example, if you know almost nothing about Microsoft Excel, but you do have a business idea, you have a business partner, you have to persuade yourself to start the business. Today I will be showing you how you can create the model yourself. You can start with using this file. I will give the link to download this file in the description of this video later when the whole model will be done. So today we'll create the timeline and start putting the revenues and expenses inside this timeline. So first of all, let's create the timeline. So the first year of our timeline is 2022. January, we will have a 10-year horizon. You can create a table with a smaller horizon. Format cells. So this is the end of horizon. So this is 23. This will be 24. 25. So why we're doing this with formulas? So we can just copy paste this, but usually when entrepreneurs have some projects, for example, today they stay at November of 2022 and they think that they may start their business idea from January 2023, and the 2023 will be the first year of their financial projections. So what they can do, they don't have to manually copy paste all these years through all the model. They just can go to here, paste here, type here 2023. This will be the first year of financial projections. So then here you will have 2023, 2024, and so on. For example, if you want to start with 2025, so it can easily be done, and that's it. So everything is automized to make you easily play with inputs. So what's next? So we've created the timeline, September, October, November, December. I will make it a little bit more, let's say, beautiful. November, December. I will copy these formats from here. So let's start. Let's start putting our project inside the timeline. So start of operating activity. Start of operating activity if and if this value equals to this value, and this value equals to this, we will place here 1, otherwise 0. So for example, let's go back to 2022 April. So here we will see 1. Then we will create the operating activity line 011. We will link the payroll and fixed cost later to this line. So 0 means that we don't have operating activity in this moment. 1 means that we do have operating activity, and to this moment and to the future we will link fixed cost, payroll,
then we will create operating activity 012.
We will link these percentages later to this line. So reaching sales plan. So if this one equals to 0, then 0. If this one equals to 1, then we will place this value, freezing it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, more than 12, otherwise 0. So what we will do now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, more than 12, and then B, C, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, K, then L, M, N. All the cells are used. Then we set up the percentage format, so we can see these percentages here growing month by month. And then we will investment stage. Let's say we'll have just 1 month for investment stage. This will be 1 month before we start the operating activity. So this month will be March if we start operating activity in April. Here it is. Let's, by the way, freeze the column. And now let's do the revenues. So this is the first thing that we are interested in. So what are the revenues? Revenues. So the revenues, we are taking this, the names of our goods or services that we have, and what we are doing now. So we are taking the price, freezing the price, then multiply sales plan, freezing the column, and then we multiply it on this line. Here we're freezing the line. Here it is. Then we press enter. And now we see the revenues for our project. We mark these group of lines with green because this is the revenue. Later they will go to the cash flow statement. So, for example, if we want to display it from April to August, we can easily do that. If we want to start, for example, to start from 30% of the planned revenues, we can use it here. 3, 60, 90, 90, 100%. See it here. Then I'm extrapolating 100% to the right. You can see how numbers are changing, and later you can play with these scenarios to see how much financing you need to start the business. So you will see lots of new surprises, because depending on the speed of reaching the revenues, you will see how amount of financing may increase that you need to start the business. So this will be very valuable to play with these inputs. So these are the revenues. The next topic will be The next video will be devoted to direct expenses, so I hope you enjoyed this. Give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can also order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. See you guys in next videos. Thank you and bye.